You searched how to buy shares of Flughafen Zurich AG. Flughafen Zurich AG runs Zurich Airport and related airport services, listed on CBOE EU with ticker FHZN.ZU. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FHZN.ZU to find the listing. Make sure you select the asset that clearly matches Flughafen Zurich AG on CBOE EU. Open the asset page to view basic company details and a price chart. Verify company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the correct Flughafen Zurich AG listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. A link to the platform is in the description if you want to explore the steps shown.